Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Alcon's Polkadot DOT is 22% hike, first step towards recovering 2022's losses. With Bitcoin changing the market's mood today, multiple altcoins have skyrocketed. Some others like Polkadot have noted sustainable hikes too, adding to its already impressive performance. Polkadot gets moving. Bitcoin registered its highest single-day rally in more than 2 weeks, 5.2%. This price action pushed BTC to not only close above $44.6K, but also helped it rally further to cross $47K on the charts. This imbued bullishness among the altcoins, and Polkadot was one of its recipients as it saw significant appreciation too. In fact, this has pushed DOT towards its 2-month-long resistance of $23.21. However, this isn't the first time DOT has followed the king coin. DOT has been imitating Bitcoin's price action for months now, noting ups and downs in the same manner as BTC does. Alas, the volatility in the case of Polkadot hasn't been as wild as the king coin, since the bigger picture for the altcoin continues to be its pair chain auctions. These are currently in their third round, 13th auction. This is where, regardless of the consistency over the last 21 days, investors haven't cared much to make any major moves on the network. Even if the spike of November is disregarded, on-chain transactions have observed a decline nevertheless. The average has dropped from over 200K to a little over 100K. Now, when compared to other networks, this figure is still huge. However, given how well Polkadot was doing when the pair chain auctions first started, the decline certainly is disappointing. Investors, are you awake? This has been triggered by the lack of liveliness among investors, something consequently reflected in the transactions conducted throughout the day. Some 22K to 23K investors have been active on the network over the last week. This is a significant drop down from its earlier numbers. Even so, since both the token and the network are doing well currently, the lack of participation might not be a trigger for a relapse. DOT can continue to rise or at the very least, consolidate around its current position. The reason a relapse is likely to occur is that the overall volatility is presently at its lowest point in over 16 months. Ref. Polkadot volatility image. This will keep the price swings under control. But DOT inching so close to $23.21, the altcoin will have the opportunity to flip it into resistance. Such a price action will allow it to recover all of 2022's losses. There are payment systems like Bitcoin, developer blockchains like Ethereum, and then there is Polkadot, the multi-chain network that has ranked among the top 10 crypto projects since 2020. It's been called the Ethereum killer, leading innovation platform, and Internet of Blockchains. With over $1.2 billion of value locked and a $20 million market cap, DOT's numbers show some truth to these names. But if you ask any Polkadot investor, hardly any of them can explain what it does. To understand why Polkadot is essential for the future of blockchains, let's start by its formal definition. Polkadot is a blockchain with heterogeneous multi-chain and translation architecture. It allows interoperability, scalability, and innovation for Layer 1 blockchains. What makes Polkadot confusing for starters is its uniqueness. Unlike Ethereum or Bitcoin, Polkadot doesn't have smart contract features. The essence of DOT is the central relay chain. It provides infrastructure able to support up to 100 other blockchains at once. Security, governance, and cross-chain communication technology. All blockchains that connect to Polkadot can communicate with each other, known as paired chains. Communication was a big unsolved problem in crypto, as it limits the applications and mass adoption. But DOT's interoperability allows pair chains to transfer any data or assets with ease. The DOT technology in a nutshell. $17.57. This midpoint of this range was at $16.87, and had some confluence with a longer-term support level at $16.81. In the past few days, DOT has found some support at this confluence of support levels. On the first attempt at a breakout past the range highs, DOT was unable to hold on to the range highs when $17.6 was flipped to support. Bitcoin saw a pullback to $38.8K from $42K and DOT was forced lower as well. On its second attempt, the price was able to establish a higher high, near term, and also find demand at $17.6, which meant that the short-term market structure was bullish. To the north, the $19 area posed significant resistance to the bull's endeavors. Therefore, a near-term buying opportunity could arise at this level were flipped to support. To the south, the $17.6 would need to remain unbroken for DOT to climb higher. A session close below $17. 6 could see DOT fall back towards $16.2. The RSI stood at 62.16 and showed strong bullish momentum in recent hours. However, it also displayed a bearish divergence between price and momentum. The awesome oscillator also appeared to be forming a lower peak even as the price pushed higher. Alongside, the OBV showed that buying volume has not been particularly high after the retest of $17.6. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.